sis, so now that I have cut the hair, it is more my speed. Okay, I'm liking it big. I keep playing in it to make it look really messy. Okay, sis, so today's video is brought to you by QueenLife Hair, which is a new company for me. This is my first time working with this company. This is how the box came when I received it. The packaging, you know, I'm all about cute packaging. The box was nice and sturdy. It did come with a nude wig cap, actually 2 of them. And these are the bundles of hair and the lengths that I received first. So let me just show you. I got a 26-inch bundle, a 22-inch bundle, a 24-inch bundle, and the closure, which is like a 3x3, was also a 22-inch bundle. And I'm going to open the pack and show you what it looks like. It came with the net on the hair, so it was really secured so that your hair doesn't get damaged. Had no odor whatsoever to the hair. This is 100% human hair, so it's not a mixture of fibers and other things of that nature. The hair is really, really soft and pretty, and the closure actually matched the texture of hair, which is sometimes really hard to do with these types of hair. But this is what the bundles pretty much look like. And I'm just kind of showing you what they look like out of the plastic. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to construct a wig out of this. And yeah, this is the closure. It's like a 3x3 with baby hairs in the front, as you can see there. I won't be bleaching the knots or any of that. Ain't nobody got time for all that. Okay, sis, so this is how I am going to create the unit, which is how I create all my units. This is the bundle of hair. This is just a man's like wave cap or do-rag, whatever you want to call it. And I just have it on a mannequin head here in my kitchen. And I'm going to be just gluing mine down. I don't do all that sewing, and it's just too much. So I'm going to be gluing it down. Now, this process normally takes me about 45 minutes total to make a full wig. But because I did not get the dryer to dry the glue faster, it took longer for me to make it because I had to literally hold the hair in place while the glue dried. What you just saw me do was measure the hair from ear to ear on the mannequin. And now I'm going to just add the glue. I'm going to speed this part up after this. It's pretty repetitive. Side to side, cut and measure all the way till I get to the top of the hair. And then I go side to side, which I'll show you as well. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up. Okay, so here I'm just showing you how far I have gotten. I'm at the very top of the wig now. And here's where I basically just take the tracks and I go side to side. I'm just kind of showing you what the hair looks like all together, how pretty it is. Look at the luster on this unit. This hair is really long. The closure is already added to the unit as well. I just have to cut. Okay, so now that I've created the unit, I still haven't tacked. I'm looking jacked up. Give me a second. I promise you. I promise you. The next clip, it won't look like this. All right, so the unit has been created. Here's the part right here. I'm going to tweeze it a little bit, and I think I'm even going to cut these baby hairs and actually use them this time. You know, I'm not a baby hair girl, but I'm going to use these baby hairs for this particular hair. Now, I just want to show you how long this hair is. I think the longest bundle was, what, 26 inches or whatever. So it stops here. And this is what the back looks like. Okay. Hopefully it's in the frame. I'm in the bathroom, all over the place, okay? I'm not feeling the hair at this length. Like, I'm just not. It's something about the length of it that I just can't get with it. So I'm going to cut it. But this is what it looks like long. Let me take a screenshot of this length so that you can see it, okay? Okay, sis, so here I just decided that I was going to go ahead and cut the hair to my liking. The hair was long and it just wasn't really my style for this type of curly hair. That's basically what I'm saying right now. I actually had to do this voiceover part because my mom came in and wanted to have a full-on conversation as if she did not care that I was recording a video. So I am just literally cutting the hair like straight across, no particular way whatsoever. Just to the length that I feel like I like the hair. Now, I am wasting the hair because, again, it was the longest length was, what, 26 inches. And I pretty much cut the hair in half. So, but it made it look a lot fuller and more uniform for me. And I just like big curly hair, but not long, big curly hair, if that makes sense. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, is just cutting the hair. And that's what it looks like so far. It looks thicker. And I'm just liking it a lot better. So let me go ahead and just cut the remainder of this hair off so I can show you what she look like, honey. Okay? Okay. Okay, sis. So now that I have cut the hair, it is more my speed. Okay? I'm liking it big. I keep playing in it to make it look really messy-ish. Now the curl pattern for this length is perfect for me. I even did some baby hairs. Now, y'all know she don't do no baby hairs, honey. But, peep this. So, I made a vlog earlier, yesterday or something, and I was talking about how I hadn't did anything in my city with the Black Theater Festival being in town. Well, look at me now, honey. The hair came just in time for me to go to an all-black party. So, this is the dress that your girl will be wearing. I haven't chose my shoes yet. But they'll be black. Okay, it ain't about that. It's about this hair. Okay, so the hair is giving me life now, sis. That it is shorter. That longer length for me just wasn't cutting. It just wasn't my vibe. This is more me and curly hair. And hopefully, if you don't get up here, I'm going to have to take this down, honey, before I leave. But if this, this hair right now is giving me everything I need, honey. Okay, and the more you play in it, the larger she gets. These straps on this dress, I'm going to have to tape them down right here on my shoulders. Okay, because literally they keep falling off. But, baby hairs, honey, okay? And I normally do not do baby hairs, but I'm feeling them with this look. Is this hair go for me? Yeah, I like it. This is my first time ever working with this company, though. And it's really no different than any of the other good hair, curly hairs I've dealt with in the past. It's no different, really. Feels really soft, no odor, none of that. As you saw, it cuts really easy. And I just always glue mine down on a dome cap like, girl, really, it's never that serious for me in a wig, okay? Never. So I just keep playing with it, pulling those curls, and the more you do that, the bigger she's going to get, okay? And the happier I'm going to be. I do have the nude wig cap underneath, which is why you can see what it looks like, scalp or whatever there. But this is a go for me, honey. This is a go. All the way down to the little black dress, honey. As tired and as sore as I am, honey, she's about to go to a little all-black party, okay, with a bunch of African men, honey. I got a thing for African men. I'm just saying. But, sis, if you're feeling this hair, you want you some summer hair, some curly hair, you like it long, short, medium, whatever your vibe is, honey, check down in the description bar down below everything about the company, any discount codes, any sales they might be having, their website information, all their handles, all of that will be taken care of for you, sis, down in the description bar down below. So please, please, please check down there. It's a go for me. I'm just saying. She's popping. She's popping. She's popping. It's a good throw on. It's a good throw on. No date. It's a good throw on. Just chill. Dress down. It's just a good throw on unit altogether. And I showed you how I made it. Yeah. That's really all I have to say about it. It's a go for me. Yay, company. You can send me hair anytime. I work with you guys anytime. Okay. She got to go. Let me find me some shoes. Let me show y'all the shoes. Hold on. I think I'm going to wear these. Since it's an all black affair and these heels aren't too high, I could probably stand these. What kind of shoes is these? I don't know. Pele, Mata. I don't know. But I got these from probably like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. One of those stores, I'm sure. Anyway, it's kind of got a platform front, so it's not too bad. I think that is what I'm going to wear with this little black dress here, honey, and my toes. So again, sis, if you're feeling the hair, you're feeling my whole get up, give me a thumbs up just for that alone, okay? And if you're interested in use some bundles, check down below in the description box. Because she, what? You know what? This might end up being a, hold up. Because you know I ain't got time for no games with no dresses and stuff. She might end up being a halter top dress. Because who's going to keep fooling with straps all freaking night? Now, I can tape them down, but I could take this a whole lot better. Okay, y'all, I got to go. Check down below if you're interested in the hair. That's the main thing. Okay? 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 Yeah. 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 I'll let y'all know how the party went in my vlog. So be sure to be on the lookout for that as well. Bye, you guys.